morning. It's raining. I just wanted to show you how it is raining. You can see. So this is how we are starting our morning, Tuesday morning. And I say welcome everyone for another video. So it is raining. It's not that much. It's like you are seeing us out early. So I want to say thank you for joining our yesterday's video. If you have not checked on the video, kindly I request you give a like, thumbs up, and comment. Yes, yesterday I needed your comments. Yes, so that is how we have started our today's video. Welcome. So everywhere is full of water, so we just moving around as we check where we can have a good place to walk on. So this is how we have started our video today. Yes, you can see. One day I had said rain is a form of blessing. Yes. And it rains, you get food. That is it. Decided to start a video in the morning of today. Because during the day, you never know. The next time we will get time in the evening when we are out. So we give you today our morning routines. So I'm walking. I alighted from a bus over there. So now it's time to just connect by walking. For about 10 to 15 minutes, I'll be there. So is it I normally alight somewhere not far from where I go. That is it. Now you can see me. It's not that clear. So it's now 10 minutes to 7. So we came out early today. It's not even clear because of the rain is becoming somehow dark. I have this to cover my head. You can see. So it has been raining since yesterday, since night, all of the night today. Then you can see it has rained a lot. Here, you must come out every morning. So I think from that we'll meet in the evening and do the next part of this video. So you can see it's very it's drizzling. It's not that much rain, but you can see the weather. It's a bit see you in the next part of the video. I want to cross. Let me cross and then we'll see you in the evening. place to cross. So funny. So this guy in front of me was trying to cross that part. You hear me laughing. He crossed and he was in the middle. Some cars wanted to cross also. So he had to stand in the middle of the road and wait for those 3 cars to pass. In Kenya, crossing the road is fun intensely. So those matatus, they don't even care if you are in front or not. They just stop. They just stop in front of you. Just block you from moving forward. So that's it. See you in the evening. So some places drainage is not that good. You can see. So, this is our city. So this place is Apai. It's a very, it's an area where it's full of offices for big companies. You can see the kind of maintenance the road. So they normally do it, but now in terms of drainage, I don't know what normally happens. Yes. So so you're back this afternoon. Yeah, it's around 1:30 p.m. So I got a small break. Let me say it's a break, just to say hi to you. You have seen how our morning has been. So now this is quite different from what was happening in the morning. It's now cool, there is sun, so we are back to normal. I don't know in the evening if we will be having more rains. So today we'll be doing, I don't know, you will be doing another part in the evening. It depends. If it will not rain, we will do it. But now a small update is Ramadan is coming to an end, and tomorrow in Kenya we normally have an holiday, because we normally declare when they are ending the Ramadan, they normally declare an holiday. So tomorrow in Kenya it will be an holiday. So a holiday, I mean a day whereby we give them the people who are undergoing who are celebrating the Ramadan to celebrate, because then the end of the fasting period. I don't know if that is correct. So tomorrow we'll be free. So we'll be having a day off from work, and then we'll be back on Thursday morning to continue with what we are doing here in the city. So there is just a small update tomorrow in Kenya. I think it's worldwide, depends on where you are. I think today is the end, so tomorrow we'll be having, here we normally have another day. Yes, so that is it. We are seated, just enjoying. I don't want to get more of the sun because it's so hot. The sun now is very hot. Yes, so that is it. That is just a small update. Yes, that is just a small update that we are doing good. Yes, so it has been raining. So me, when I hear about rain, just think think about the village. Could be doing a lot, but one day we'll be having that chance. Just believing that one day we'll be having that chance of being in that village and doing what we need to be doing. Yes, there is a lot. Just only need prayers so that we will accomplish everything, because there is a lot we are thinking. So those things which you are planning in your mind, you need prayers so that we can put all those things into action. Yes, you know, there are some things which you just say or you think, but putting into action, it needs a lot of time, energy, and resources. So just praying that you'll get that chance of at least doing, even if it is half of it, and then you'll be showcasing what you will be doing. So just to say we are happy as a family. I've been saying kids are on holiday. Yes, so everyone is good. You also, you are doing good wherever you are. So for those who will be enjoying their end of Ramadan, we wish you all the best. Yes, so that is it. We are happy as we enjoy positive vibes. Positive. So just thank you for everything. Yes. So today I've decided, why not show you these cars? I've been sitting here just saying there are some cars. I just want to hold my camera. You'll see there. Don't want a situation whereby when you are listening to my video, here there are some cars going. That is where that is the road they're using. Yes, there's those beautiful houses over there. You can see. So those are the cars. Those that are parked there are mostly taxis or Uber. There is another one called Bolt. Yes, so you can see motorbikes. You see now people are carrying things on the motorbikes. They are placing on top of the fuel tank. Yes. So this road is called, this is a link road between a place called Upper Hill and Mbagathi Road. So these people are connecting to another highway over there. It's called Langata Road and Mbagathi Way. So there is just a small clip of what the cars which are here. Hope you have seen. I've been talking about that. I've seated somewhere enjoying and watching these cars. Those are the cars we normally watch. So here, all types of cars. You can see that one. There is an Equity Bank. There is a bank called Equity. So that is the bus. There is a small car wash over there. I think the bus is going there for a small body wash. Yes. So that is it. We will get a chance in the evening. We'll do an next part of this video. Just relaxing here. I just decided why not update you. Nowadays, I hope you nowadays know these types of cars. Those are our public means vehicles. Yes. So one may ask himself or herself, why are you doing these kinds of videos? These are the kind of videos we normally manage to do in the city, but as our channel, for those who are new, our channel will be mainly placed in the village. So we are trying to cross this channel, hoping or having that belief that we will be going to the village. So it's good to make some updates on what we are planning. So one day we'll be in the village. That is where our main activities will be happening. But because we are in the city, why not show you around? Why not show you how an afternoon in the city is? Yes, so you can see these cars. Yes, so this is an afternoon. That is a line time, and this is how it is. So our channel is more of traveling, and we'll be incorporating part of farming. We'll be traveling, showing you around. If there is some farmers who are doing good, we'll travel and we'll show you what they are doing. So that is how our channel will be more of what we got ourselves in the city, trying to grow this channel. One day, if we'll get enough money, we'll be going to the city, to the village. That is a small update of what's happening. I don't want you to wonder why we are doing this kind of videos in the city, and we have the name is Adventure. So we are doing good, yes, and one day we'll be showing you the village more. It's an evening and we are back, so we'll not be doing much in the evening. We are approaching the house, but now in the afternoon, I felt there was some pain here. Just be monitoring if it will need some attention. I just look for a doctor. So we'll not be doing much. We'll just say goodbye or bye bye, and then we'll see you in the next video. So that is the update. Yes, let me go and see my family. So enjoy your evening or your night. Say good night for those who are about to go to sleep. Good evening for those who are enjoying the evening. Good afternoon or good morning, wherever you are. We are ending the video here. So bye bye. See you in the next video tomorrow.